Instagram made me buy the most expensive curling product I've ever purchased in my life. All these bloggers are saying that this T3 curling wand or curling iron is the reason that their hair is just like luscious and again luxurious, and that their curls last for like 3 days. And I'm very skeptical because I feel like every time I buy something that like sounds too good to be true, it usually is too good to be true. But there's so many people saying it that I feel like, I don't know, I have hope that it's amazing. So when I was looking to buy this, I was looking for a review from someone who isn't like quote unquote a blogger, just a normal person like me, who doesn't get sent stuff, who doesn't have discount codes, who doesn't like, you know, really, I don't know, I'm just like a normal person. But I was looking for a review from someone like that, and I really couldn't find anything, at least on YouTube. So I thought that this would be a fun video. I went ahead and got the curling iron during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so it was on discount. I will insert the price right here because I forget how much exactly it came down to, but I do believe the original price was $160. So yeah, it's kind of a lot. Like I guess for something you use every day, maybe not. I'm gonna try not to ramble, by the way. So anyway, we're gonna try out the curling iron. I just took a shower. I have my pajamas on, but I just took a shower, let my hair air dry, and then I just blew through it with the blow dryer real quick just to make sure it's completely dry. But let me show you the curling iron. So here is what the curling iron looks like. It's a really pretty gray blue color with rose gold detail with the T3 symbol. That's the little rest so that your countertop doesn't get all hot. Very pretty. My first impression, that is very, very lightweight. I swear this like doesn't weigh anything. And then to turn it on, it has 4 little light up buttons right here, and then you twist this. I can't do it with one hand, but you twist this and that's how it turns on. It doesn't have the traditional like little button right there. So anyway, I like how lightweight it is. It makes me think that, I don't know, it just won't be heavy to hold, which should be nice. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see how long it takes to heat up. I'm gonna prop you guys up right here. 5 buttons light up. So let's see how long this takes to fully heat up. All right, sorry for this weird angle, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this literally took 1 minute to heat up. It is so hot. So that's nice. Especially if you're, I don't know, at any time it's nice for it. Wow, do you guys see the steam coming off of that? This thing is super hot. But yeah, I like that it doesn't take very long to heat up. That will be really nice in the morning. One of the reasons I don't curl my hair for work very often is because I just don't have time, like a ton of time. I'm not a morning person. But, okay, I'm gonna hold it for a couple seconds. Let's see what it does. I like that curl. It turned out really nice. It's a little bit like curly Q looking, but I'll run my hands through my hair later. But that was really quick. I only had to wait like, I don't know, not very long. 2-3 seconds, I don't know, less than 5 seconds. I feel like I'm so awkward. All right. So, like I said when I was in my room, this thing is super lightweight. I feel like I'm not like holding anything. I'd be surprised if this thing was like even 2 pounds, if that. It feels like 1 pound. Very lightweight. Okay, that curl came out kind of meh. Okay. That was a pretty small piece of hair, but I did it from the very bottom all the way up to the top, so we'll see how that turns out. Yeah, so far I'm impressed. I mean, I'm trying to decide if I'm I'm gonna go with the retail value on this, $160. I'm trying to decide if I'm $160 impressed or if I'm just like, oh, it's a curling iron, like it's curling my hair. Okay, that's pretty. And I know everybody has a different preference on how they like their hair curled, but I think like what's in right now are like those big like luscious curls. You know what I'm talking about. I can insert a picture of some of my favorite bloggers whose hair I really admire. And I think, you know what, test number one for this, if it's worth the money, for me would be, does it curl your hair well? And then, but most importantly, does it hold the curl? Because that's kind of what intrigued me the most about being interested in this curling iron and this T3 line in particular, is that they promise that like the curl lasts for several days. So I don't know, I'm just very intrigued. I know most of the bloggers have hair extensions, so I just kind of wonder like how that plays into it. Like I don't have any of that. Like I said, I am just like an average everyday kind of person who is not an expert on anything and just trying to, you know, I don't know. So, but this would be great. I mean, even, I'm already like kind of, I don't know. So even if this didn't hold the curl for several days, the fact that this thing heats up so quickly and I could run through my hair so quick in the morning, even that alone is actually very appealing to me. Okay, so my first impressions are that I actually really like how it turned out. It only took me about 4 minutes to curl my whole head, and then I just went ahead and put some hairspray in. I used the L'Oreal Elnet hairspray in case you're curious. But my hair, I should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but my hair just doesn't typically hold curl very well. It's like straight as a pin. If I do nothing to it, it's like straight. So most curling irons don't hold much curl. Like I'll curl it and then it just goes, it's like a very weak curl. So to some of you, maybe this doesn't look like much, but to me, this is like the most curl that I've really seen in my hair. So I'm just very curious to see if this is gonna hold up. To me, that will be the tried and true test from a, what's the word I'm looking for? Come on, Vanessa, come on. I'm trying to work on being more concise in my videos. But from a time standpoint, that thing heated up so fast, less than a minute that thing heated up, and I did my whole hair in 4 minutes, so 5 minutes to at least get some sort of curl. But if it doesn't hold up, then like, what's the point? So we'll go ahead and see. I will let you guys, I'll check in later and let you guys see my hair, and I'll let you know what I think. So here are the initial results though from the T3 curling iron. Let me show you the box. Here is what it looks like. I said I got it at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, $160 value. I paid $107. It is called the Single Pass Curl 1 1/4 inch professional curling iron. And what else does it have to say? It says it has the T3 single pass technology, ceramic barrel, and 5 heat settings. Okay, so I am back home now. It is 10:30 at night. It has been 5.5 hours since I curled my hair, and it was downpouring and it's humid, and there is still some wave in my hair, and I am like literally, I don't know, I'm like shocked right now. I'm so shocked. You guys, I hate to recommend something that's so expensive, but I think I'm on board the T3 train. Like maybe for some that this isn't, I don't know, impressive, but for my hair that never ever curls, I'm just shocked that there's any type of wave going on right now. I did use the Elnet hairspray, so maybe that definitely helped, but hey guys, so I'm back on day 2 and I wanted to show you how my hair held up overnight. So here's what we got going on. We have a little bit of a wave. I wouldn't say that it's curly, but it's definitely, it has a little bit of texture to it. I just slept with my hair in a ponytail with one of those really loose scrunchies so that it wouldn't, trying to avoid getting any, messing up the curls. I would say I'm still kind of trying to formulate my opinion. Here's my thoughts. If the reason that you'd be splurging on this curling iron is with the hopes that the curls are going to last for several days, personally with my hair type, that just wasn't my experience. I have pin straight hair, like I said yesterday, and my hair just doesn't hold curl very well. And granted, I was only using hairspray. There may be other products that you can use that can contribute to holding the curl for a longer period of time, but my experience was that the curl didn't hold through the second day. So I don't know. I think I still like the curling iron because I liked the initial results it gave, and I was really happy with how the curls held up yesterday through the rain, through the humidity in Florida in August, and I thought like my hair looked pretty good to survive all of those things yesterday. But I would say I'm a little bit less than impressed with how it held up for second day hair. Now, this isn't a huge deal. I mean, I can just touch up a few pieces and I think it'll look great. But yeah, so that was kind of my experience. So hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Let me know if you've tried out any of the T3 products and what your experience has been. But yeah, this is my experience trying out a $160 curling iron with T3. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Open eye, feel the